Welcome to Casual American English with Amy. Today, the mystery of the sound of the double O in American English. Today, vocabulary and pronunciation with lots of pictures. Some of the OO words make the sound of a long O, and some make the sound of a short O. There are no rules about this. You must memorize it. I'll give you some of the most common words with each vowel sound. I recommend that you add these to your English journal. This is really going to help you. Okay, the short O sound as in ook. Let's look at some OOK words. Book, book, brook, brook, cook, cook, crook, crook, like a thief, a crook, hook, hook, look, look, shook. They shook hands. The earthquake shook the house. She shook the present. Took. She took a cookie. She took a nap. They took a coffee break. Okay, let's look at some OOD words that make the sound ud. Good. Pineapple is good for you. Good. If you like this video, you could give it a thumbs up and tell me that it's good. Hoodie. This is a jacket with a hood on it. Stood. The women stood back to back. These people stood in line. Wood, wood. Flood, flood. Blood, blood. Okay, hood as in the part of a vehicle, and hood can show relations in a compound word such as brotherhood, childhood, motherhood, neighborhood. Please click like and subscribe. Okay, a variety of other OO words, just some miscellaneous ones. Cookies, cookies. These are chocolate chip cookies. Foot, foot. Wool, wool. Okay, long O sound. Broom, broom. Hoop, hoop. Boom, boost. Brood, choose. Cool, drool. Droop. Food, food. Moon, moon. Fool, loop, loose. Choose. Proof, soon. Moose, moose. A male and a female. Noon, noon. This is 12 p.m. Noon. Scoop, shoot. Spook, snooze. Stoop, two. Troop. Tooth, tooth. Booth, booth. Whether it's a restaurant booth, a telephone booth, an information booth. And blooper, boo. Booze, doozy. Goose, goose. Loon, loon. Spoon, spoon. Pool, pool. School, school. Zoo, a zoo, where the animals live, the zoo. Zoom, like a camera zoom, or you're zooming by, that means going really fast, or Zoom like the computer program Zoom. Okay, that was really quick. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye for now.